if somebody calls in and it's a lead you're following up on. Always, 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 even if you're a junior person and it's your first day on the job. Hey, I wanted to reach out to you personally and make sure my people got you all the information you needed. So if you're at Scope Tech, by the way, dopest software in the world for construction, I'm just saying, best software out there, right? And a roofing contractor that's working hail damage is interested in the services. Hey, I wanted to reach out to you personally, make sure my people got you all the information you needed. Even if you know that nobody's reached out to that person. Because guess what they'll say? I don't think anybody's reached out to me. Don't say I'm sorry. Say, okay, got it. What can I get you information on? Hey, we work hailstorms and we work them regionally, and one of the things that we have difficulty with is I have to get boots on top of the roof to get a quote, and I'm just wondering if your software could help us mitigate that a little bit. Absolutely, absolutely. What research have you done on us? These are questions that flow. These are the questions that are in the portal, right? What research have you done on us? Yeah. Who's got a question? Go ahead. Hey, if you're a serious sales professional, you're gonna wanna hear this. There is a way that you can double or even triple the amount of money you are making in your sales career within the next 60 days. And it doesn't involve you having to look for another job. It doesn't involve you having to lower your prices or convince your company to give you the entire world as your territory. If you work in sales and you simply employ a more straightforward, a more practical, a more powerful sales process, it is very, very easy for you to double or even triple the amount of money you are making. How do I know this? My name is Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. It's the most effective sales coaching in the world. Don't take my word for it. We have over 1,000 video testimonials from people just like you that have doubled and tripled their income. Here's how Easton University works. You're gonna have access to an on-demand learning portal. It's gonna feel like you and I are having a FaceTime call together. I'm gonna walk you through everything from prospecting, cold calling, what to say in an email, how to respond. Everything you'd ever wanna know about your sales career and taking it to the next level is in the on-demand interactive learning portal. But the magic doesn't stop there. Twice a week, you're gonna be able to join live coaching with me. You can bring any questions you have. I'll give you answers. Any challenges that you're facing right now, I will work with you every step of the way to take you to the next level. You're gonna be able to hear questions from top performers that are making $500,000, $750,000, even $1 million a year in sales. This is a very supportive community that you are now going to be a part of. Easton University is more than a learning portal. It's more than live coaching with me. It's more than being a part of the most supportive, most professional sales community on planet Earth. It's your future, and you and your future are worth it. If you want to take your sales career to the next level, click the button to learn more.